Welcome to my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing you a tiger prawn, a grilled, beautiful, juicy tiger prawns with some spices, especially from my place, from Kerala. Okay, we will marinate the first like this. We will marinate tiger prawns like this. Then we will grill. Then it will be like. Let's see the video. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. First, cut the prawns like this. And remove the vein. After cutting like this, if you have a vein at the bottom also, make sure you remove that vein too. Let's clean the prawns. Vinegar, lime juice, salt, combined with chili powder, turmeric, pepper powder, mustard powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, coconut milk, salt, oil, combine well. The first marination, the second marination, and the prawns are ready to go. So we will marinate. Place the prawns to the first marination. We have to keep these prawns for just 5 seconds in this marination. Afterwards, we can remove. Now you are thinking, why we want to keep this marination for 5 seconds, am I right? Yes, it's to remove the fishy smell. When we place in the marination after we remove, see there's a different color. We will marinate the fish. Marinated already the prawns. Let it rest. Let's take a pan like this to grill the prawns on a medium heat. Pan is hot now. Toss a little bit of oil. If you have a barbecue at home, you can barbecue these prawns. Turn the heat to high. The prawns is getting grilled now. The color is also getting changed. Fragrance are really tempting. It's so tempting and it's mouth-watering. turn the prawns. One important step while we grilling is don't overcook the prawns. It just takes 3-4 minutes to cook a prawn. Add a little bit of butter on the top. Let it melt. See the prawn? Nice golden color and it's well cooked. Remove to a plate. The prawns we just made at home. It's ready to taste. So excuse a little bit of lemon juice on the top. We have some onions, we have some, the most important thing, the chili is also there. You want only. The prawns, very tasty. I already started eating because it's so tempting, right? While I'm frying, I'm almost ready to eat because it's the fragrance are so tempting when the spices are cooked. See, it's very juicy inside. Wow. Very, very juicy. Don't overcook the prawns, no? Then you will lose all this nice juicy texture of the prawns. When you eat, how you eat? Joss Moses kitchen way. Enjoying it. And if you like my recipe, don't just see, try it. And if you like it, share it. Share the knowledge to your friends, your relatives, to everyone. Bye. See you with a new beautiful recipe.